The error codes E0 and E5 in TCL air conditioners are usually related to a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units. Here is the procedure to troubleshoot this problem. 1. Turn off and unplug the unit, then plug it back in and turn it on after a few minutes to see if the error code disappears. 2. If the E0 or E5 error persists, perform a visual inspection of the connections and condition of the cables between the indoor and outdoor units. 3. The L and N pins are connected to the power supply cables of the unit. This supply is alternating current voltage provided by the external electrical network. 4. Outside the unit, use a multimeter set to the AC voltage scale to check if the voltage supplied by the external electrical network is adequate. 5. Turn on the unit, and before the E0 error appears, measure the voltage at the L and N terminals on the outdoor unit. If the measured voltage at these pins is 0, the problem is likely in the indoor control board. 6. If the voltage between L and N is normal in the previous step, measure the voltage between the N terminal and terminal 1 on the outdoor unit. If there is a voltage change between 0 and 24 volts, pulse voltage, the problem is likely in the main indoor PCB. 7. If there is a voltage change between 0 and 12 volts between pins N and 1, pulse voltage, but no 24V, the problem is likely in the outdoor power supply. 8. If there is no voltage change between the N terminal and terminal 1 in the previous step, first focus on or replace the main indoor PCB. If the problem persists, the issue is in the outdoor power supply. 9. Check the PFC circuit located in the outdoor unit. Test the pins of the rectifier bridge, fast recovery diode, and IGBT transistor for faults, shorts, or damage. 10. If there is no apparent damage, measure the DC voltage between DC positive and DC negative. If the voltage is approximately 300 volts, the problem is in the power supply. If the voltage is 0, the issue is in the PFC, power factor correction, circuit. 11. Before making any replacements, it is recommended to measure the electrical continuity in the reactor located in the outdoor unit using a multimeter set to the continuity scale. 12. Verification of the communication circuit. You can also locate the communication circuit by looking for the pair of optocouplers. Check the values of resistors, electrolytic capacitors, and diodes in this area.